Hi everyone! Today we are going to talk about JSON, which stands for JavaScript Object Notation. JSON is data representation format, which is very lightweight and it's easy to read. It's also language agnostic, which means that you can use JSON as part of any programming language. It also has very important role in web API integrations. It has natural JavaScript integration, and it's also very often used for storing configurations. Overall, JSON has become integral part of modern web development, so it's very important to know how to properly use it. Let's talk about different kind of data types that we have in JSON. So as you can see, we have strings, we have number, we have boolean, we have null, object, and array. So let's represent person in JSON file. So each person has its own name, surname, age, and one field which represents if person is an adult. So let's open the curly brackets. I forgot to mention that data is specified in key value pairs in JSON. So we need to specify the key, which is going to be name. We need to add string value, which is going to be, let's say, John. Also, we need surname, which is going to be Peterson. And we need age, which is going to be, let's say, 25. As you can see, we need comma after each key value pair, and we don't need quotation marks for numbers. So we need to check if person is an adult, which is going to be boolean, and let's say true, for example. And that's pretty much it. We created a simple object, JSON object, which has name, surname, age, and is adult. Also, if we want to create array, let's call the key simple array, and we need to use the brackets. We need to specify the values, so we forgot to add comma, so we need values. So let's say that we have array of strings, so string 1, string 2, it doesn't really matter, this is just an example. So I guess that we covered almost every data type that we have in JSON. So let's say that we want to create an array of objects, array of persons. So how we can do that? We need to open the brackets, these brackets, and we need to specify the objects inside. So this is the object 1, this is another one, so we can change it to whatever we like, it doesn't really matter. So as you can see, it's very simple to write objects in JSON format. So I think that we covered all the data types and all the things that you need to know about JSON in order to use it. So I hope that you enjoyed, and see you in the next one.